Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. Sorry I haven't made videos a couple days. I've been on vacation. This is actually my last day of vacation, so we'll start getting to work again. So let's get into it, guys, and see a couple things here. Today we're talking about Metro by T-Mobile. So a couple news from them, but the main thing, like I said, that we want to talk about is going to be down here. If you go to Metro by T-Mobile's website, you scroll down a little bit. This is a big thing that we see. It says only at Metro. iPhone 12 mini with 5G now on us. Wow. So it's basically anytime they're saying, a company saying that it's on them, it's basically it's going to be either free or a heavily discounted price. They're basically got to give you the phone. Now, of course, there's caveats or requirements. So let's go ahead and see what it is on Metro by T-Mobile. So of course, like I said, some of the requirements are usually switch offers, and that's what it says right here. So it says, when you switch with a qualifying plan and trade-in eligible device. So some carriers do not require trade-ins. It looks like Metro is, since the iPhone 12 mini is still about $730-ish, I believe, like $730 for one. So not too bad. But it says you will receive your rebate within 3 months of service. So wow. So you won't get that rebate right off the bat, guys. So hopefully it's not a mail-in rebate. I usually don't like those. They take a long time. I'm guessing what they could be doing before I even get into it is they could probably be doing an account credit, or maybe they'll send you a Visa prepaid card or like a check or something like that. So it says you will not receive your rebate until 3 months of service. So you're going to have to stay with Metro for at least 3 months, which is smart for the carriers, not as good for the consumer, but it is really good for the carrier because they want to make sure their investment is good, because it's really an investment. They give you an iPhone 12 mini for free. Of course, you need a trade-in that also is more of a security, like a bond or something like that, saying that, hey, you're giving us a phone that's at least valued at $100, so you're gonna need a phone. So iPhone 12 mini. So carriers on postpaid plans usually don't require trade-in, but prepaid, there's more risk in it, should I say. So of course, it's going to be powered on T-Mobile's 5G network, since iPhone 12 is 5G compatible. So it says right here, guys, trade in at least $100 or more value required. So the phone can't be just some junky little, Nokia phone or whatever it is. It has to be something of $100 of value or more. And they have to say, you don't just buy a phone and it's like, oh, it's $100 on the trade-in. The trade-in value for Metro has to be at least $100 or more. Plus taxes on pre-rebate price. So it says qualifying port-in $60 monthly plan. So you're going to need a $60 monthly plan for 3 months. Plus trade-in value of $100. So you're going to have to give a phone at least $100 or more. So it says via a $580 instant rebate off FRP of $729.99 and a $150 rebate via virtual prepaid MasterCard after 3 months. So, okay, so basically what's going to happen is they're going to knock off $500 off instantly off the phone. So the remaining $150 you get as a rebate after 3 months via prepaid MasterCard. So basically, they're going to knock off $180 off the phone, guys. You will have to pay for a plan of $60 at least, trade in a phone at least $100 in value, and then you're going to have to pay some money towards the phone, because they're just going to knock off the phone's $729.99. They're going to knock off $580 off of that price instantly. And then the remaining $150 you'll get as a prepaid MasterCard after 3 months, guys. You have to pay 3 months of on-time payments before you can even get that rebate. See, with these rebates, I don't like it. Sometimes they don't get here. They get lost in the mail, and you're kind of out of that money. But usually there's no issues with it. But just know that it's after 3 months of on-time payments of $60 a month. It says limited 2 per account must be active and in good standings to receive the $150 rebate. So like I said, you can't just pay 1 month of $60 and then just not pay the other 2 and wait it off, or wait until you get it. It's your phone account has to be your account, should I say, has to be in good standing. So that's a couple things. Here's the good stuff about the iPhone mini. I mean, like I said, it does require a couple requirements, but overall it's a good phone. I mean, like I said, the phone's $700 and I think $30 or something like that. Let's see what it said. I think that's what it was. Yep, $730. So why do you want to pick the mini? Now remember, guys, make sure you do want the iPhone mini. The iPhone mini is the smallest iPhone 12 that they have. So just be aware of it and what you're getting yourself into. That's it. And also be sure that you do have T-Mobile coverage in your area or the places that you're going to be living, traveling, and so on. So it's a 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR display. It's an A14 Bionic chip, of course, and super fast 5G. Now, T-Mobile was one of the first carriers to offer 5G nationwide. So just make sure it is in your area by checking out the coverage map here. So it says iPhone 12 mini. It says iPhone 12 mini packs big features like a 5.4-inch display, 5G to download movies on the fly and stream high quality videos. So I mean, you are getting an unlimited plan with Metro as well at that price. So it says, let's say, qualifying plan and trade in $100 plus requiring any digital rebate after 3 months. Remember to get that price at. So remember, it's $730 and they'll knock off 500 and some change, and then you'll get the remaining balance later on. So big thing, I do like that they're not hiding it. They're telling you what it is. Like I said, 5.4-inch Super Retina ceramic shield, tougher than any smartphone glass. 5G for super fast download speeds. They do have looks like black, blue, and red. That blue looks kind of nice. So now, another thing that you have to remember, you can't do this online, guys. You could have to go to a store. I believe in Metro they do require an ID now for you to be able to do this. So make sure you have your ID and make sure your phone that you have is going to be valued at least $100 or more. If not, you won't be able to get this deal. So don't have a, like I said, an old beat up phone that's all cracked up trying to bring it in there and trying to get the rebate. These are only 64 gigs. It doesn't look like you can buy up. And let's say you have to find a store, so you cannot do this online. You have to go physically to a store near you. So make sure you do have a store near you. Me personally, we have about 3 or 4 here in town, so that's no issues. Like I said, here is like their big flyer. Get iPhone 12 mini with 5G on us when you switch and trade in an eligible device. So pretty cool, guys. Overall, I think it's a good deal, and like I said, make sure you like the screen size. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe, guys. And are you interested in this? Do you have good coverage of T-Mobile area? Let me know. Thank you.